It's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. Today we're going to make simple snack number 2, cheesy popcorn. Today we're going to make another good snack. It's popcorn. I've got popcorn in the pan. If you want to know how to pop popcorn 3 different ways, I've got a video on that, and actually 3 short videos, and I show you how to pop popcorn. The old-fashioned way, of course, in the pan. I better grab a pot holder here. What I have is my popcorn getting ready to pop. I've got a container. This container looks ratty because I always put popcorn in there. It looks a little bad, but it works. And today we're going to make cheesy popcorn for a snack. Sometimes I make this ahead of time to keep as a snack in the cupboard. And other times I will pop popcorn for myself, and with the popcorn that is left, I put it aside after putting a little salt and cheesiness on there. That's pretty delicious. Hear the popcorn? It's starting to pop. Now, all I'll do, I'll just pop the popcorn in some oil until it stops popping, and then I will put it in my container. Hear it? You can shake every now and again. If you've never had pan-popped popcorn, you should try it. I like it the best. It's not difficult. It's not difficult to do the popcorn. It's pretty easy. So go to those videos and you can learn 3 different ways to pop popcorn. Turn my heat off now. Come over here. That's a full pan of popcorn right there. Carefully. See? That is plenty of popcorn. I probably actually could have, these kernels are hot, so be careful. I probably could have used less popcorn, but oh well. Now we're going to use some shaky cheese. If you've never tried popcorn with Parmesan on it, you should, because it's delicious. Oh, there's a lot of kernels left in there. I can hear them, but that's okay. See, I put too much in, so some of it didn't get popped, but that's all right. I have a whirly pop. I could use that. One of these days I'll demonstrate the whirly pop for you. It was a gift from my son and daughter-in-law. Now, what this Parmesan cheese does, it tends to melt a bit over your popcorn because your popcorn's hot. Oh! Alright. That's pretty tasty. You know what? I don't have that much left. So I'm going to put the rest of it on. Just going to be crazy with it. Awesome. There we go. Now, shake it up again. Now, you can put this in individual baggies if you want to portion it out. Or, you can do what I do. Put it in a zip bag after it cools off. And then, when I want some, I just grab a bowl, put some in the bowl, and eat it like that. Otherwise, I will eat the whole bag. That cannot be that great for you, right? But that's all there is to it. Now, you put any seasoning on there that you want. Whatever you want for your popcorn, that's what you should do. Wow. It's very scrumptious. It's awesome. All right. That's it. That's another snack for you. Very cheap. Way cheaper than microwave popcorn and much better for you as well. So don't buy those big bags of cheesy popcorn. Make your own. And just so you know, you can buy the cheese, shaky cheese that is for popcorn, and it's yellow and it will give you that cheesy flavor. So make your own snack, make your own cheesy popcorn. Ooh, it's delicious. Awesome. All right. A nice snack for me for the week. Stay tuned because there's going to be more snacks coming up.